Assalamu alaikum my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked buffalo wings. So here I'm just going to show you a really healthy way to make it without deep frying and all that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Let's get started. We need to coat the wings, so we will need 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Give it a good mix, and here I have my wings. They're clean and I patted them down with a paper towel because I want them as dry as possible. Took one by one and I coated it completely with the mixture. You could use an easier way, which makes your life so much easier. Bring a big Ziploc bag, put the chicken inside, dump the flour mixture inside, and give it a really good shake until you make sure that all the wings are coated with the mixture. And then you put a baking sheet, line it with foil and wax paper, and then grease it with some olive oil or any oil that you like. Here's the tip: don't put a lot of chicken inside the baking sheet. Let them space out, because if you overpack them, they won't cook right and they'll be really soggy. And then drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top, and then in the oven they go for 30 minutes at 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Okay, for the buffalo sauce, here I only use 2 tablespoons of butter. I know a lot of people use more than that, but for me that's just more than enough. 2/3 of a cup of hot sauce. Frank hot sauce is the one to go to, or Louisiana or any other hot sauce is fine with that. And then you could also add 1/2 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce or sriracha. It's all up to your preference. 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, or if you don't have that, use soya sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and then just heat the mixture. And then when the chickens are out of the oven, put them in a bowl, add the mixture, and then toss. You could mix or toss, and that's it. Here you have it. It's amazingly great. You could put it in the oven, or you could also use an air fryer. Both are perfect. For the dipping sauce, here I did not use a blue cheese dressing that I bought from the store. It has so much fat in it and it's really not healthy. I did my own. However, I did not have blue cheese, but if you do have blue cheese, that would be great. But here I use 2 tablespoons of yogurt, Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of mustard, salt and pepper, and dry parsley. It's so good. I wish you guys could smell it and taste it, and inshallah you guys enjoy it. It's simple, it's beautiful, and it's healthy because I use the least amount of butter, and also it's not fried, it's baked. It's good. I hope you guys like it. Enjoy. وبالعافية عليكم. أنا هنا وريتكم كيف تصلحوا البافلو وينجز، وريتكم كيف تصلحوا الصوص حق البافلو وينجز، حق الأجنحة نفسها، والصوص حق التغميس. المميز في هذا الفيديو انه انا ما قليت الدجاج. مش لازم كل شيء يكون قلي عشان يطلع لذيذ. صلحوا بنفس الطريقة، حطوه في الفرن او بالقلاية الهوائية وحيطلع مقرمش ولذيذ، وان شاء الله باذن الله حتعجبكم. اشوفكم في الحلقات القادمة ان شاء الله. مع السلامة.